Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to talk about how you can use your laptop or machine to mine coins. You can use Bitcoin, Ethereum or any coin of your choice which you would like to mine. In addition, we will talk about some other stuff, how Bitcoin mining works, what is the algorithm behind it, and where you can buy best like GPUs or CPUs for the mining or mining rigs. And we will also discuss about how you can save electricity cost by a hydro-powered mining farm. So I've seen this guy like he has like completed his mining rigs or mining farm using a hydropower plant. So we'll discuss on that. So let's get started. Before that, I would request you to please subscribe and like my channel. Let's get started. So the website is called as unmineable.com and I'll leave the link in the description. So there are two types of versions in this one. So the first one is called as beta version. The other version is beta MFI. So the difference between these two versions is, so in the main version, so you have to download the miner file separately, but I would suggest you to go with this one because it has all the files included and it will save you from the hassle. So I've already downloaded the setup and let me show you how you are going to work with it. You just need to double click this one or extract the file at your desired location. So once you double click it, a GUI will pop up and you will just click continue. So now it's giving you two options. So either you can use GPU or a CPU. So I've tested this earlier on a GPU. So in terms of GPU, so let's say you have NVIDIA or GeForce card, which is like very strong and can bear the load. So just select that option in that case. In the machine where I'm going to do a simulation is just a normal like laptop. So we can use CPU option. So we will click on next and it's telling me to select the coin, whatever I want to mine. So let's say there is like baby doll, so it's using BSC chain, crypto.com, phantom, safe moon or whatever. So let's take a random coin on BSC chain, like let's say safe moon, and you can add your address where you want to deposit this. So the moment I will click start, so now it will start utilizing my CPU resources, and so the it's starting the hash. So it has already started. So as you can see, it will start utilizing my CPU and then it will start doing mining in the backend. And once the specific coins are generated, it will automatically transfer to my wallet. So if we click on the stats, so let's say I'm just trying to explore my address. So it's saying like, let's give it a search. So it says like there is no payout as of now because it has not generated enough coins. So you can run this for as long as you wish. So currently the hash rate is 443.2h and you can check the status. So as of now the intensity of my mining is low. So let's say if I set it to high and start mining app on the start, I don't want to use it every time. So let's save and restart. So you will see the difference between the hash rate. So initially it was low. The moment it will restart again, the hash rate will automatically grow up. CPU mining is good in terms, let's say if you have a server which has like multiple CPUs and then you have tons of RAM, let's say 64 gig or 128 or maybe 1 terabytes of RAM. So people are using those kind of servers at home for like study purpose or building some SQL database or whatsoever. On the other hand, if you have a good machine like which does mining, so you can install multiple graphic cards and you can use them to do GPU mining. GPU mining is much more faster than CPU mining and it can generate coins very fast. I've done mining for Dogecoin, and when the specific Dogecoin was generated, so it took around maybe 7 to 14 hours to transfer them into my Binance wallet. So it's taking a bit of time. So we will get back to this once it started. And now the question is, what will be your contribution in mining? So as you know, mining works, you will be utilizing your resources in the mining operation, and you can use like GPU or ASIC circuit as we already did. So GPU is basically your graphic card, and ASIC circuits are mining rigs which you can purchase online. So we will go through a short video which will explain like how Bitcoin mining works. So let's go with it.
Bitcoin mining is the process of using sophisticated computers to verify the legitimacy of Bitcoin transactions and to enter new Bitcoins into circulation. Most of the nearly 18.5 million Bitcoins in circulation have been created by miners. To earn Bitcoins through mining, miners need to meet two conditions. First, they need to verify 1 megabyte worth of Bitcoin transactions, also known as a block. This is done by using a complex computer system to calculate a mathematical equation and come up with a 64-digit hexadecimal code, or hash. Step 2 is a little trickier. To get paid, a miner has to be the first one to arrive at the right answer, or at least the closest to the answer. This process, also called proof of work, is designed to make users expand effort solving a mathematical quiz in order to deter fraudulent Bitcoin sales. The process uses graphic processing units, or GPUs, and application-specific integrated circuits, or ASICs, to solve extremely complex computational math problems. Bitcoin Protocol says that the number of Bitcoins will be capped at 21 million, but with the mining rate being reduced over time, it's likely the final Bitcoin won't be circulated until the year 2140.
Okay, so as you can see from the video, there is still a potential you guys can like do a rig or GPU mining for Bitcoin. And so currently we are in 2022, so still like at 2040 you still have time to maybe earn at least maybe 3 or 4 Bitcoins depending on how much investment you are making, and you can mine other coins. So the technology behind this mining is basically, so the algorithm gets more complex. So the IT guys might understand, so it uses a Shaw algorithm. So the more mining is being done, the more algorithm is getting complex. So the good thing behind this algorithm is it cannot be cracked easily. And on the other hand, so when you are using a chain, or let's say Ethereum chain or BTC or Binance Smart Chain, so what it does is whenever you are doing a transfer, let's say from USDT to USDT, so on the chain it verifies the transaction. So this transaction is basically much more safer than the normal banks, because it's not going to verify just from one peer. So it is going to verify the same transaction from maybe 1000 peers. So which means there is no chances of scams in that scenario. So on the other hand, let's go on the websites where you can buy like mining rigs. So this is the one of the website in Australia. So it's called as ASIC Miner, miningstore.com.au. So as I said, like mining rigs are basically ASIC circuits, and you can buy these machines. But a bit of thing with these machines is they are using multiple power supplies, not only one. So imagine this is 240 volts plus 240 volts. So you will require a huge power to like run these. So it says like one BTC is calculated for, let's say, 55633.30. So and you can calculate your electricity costs on this one. So there are other coins. Let's say if I start with, let's say, Ethereum, so it will take some time to generate table for Ethereum, and it will give you a random ratio. So let's say your potential profit per day will be, let's say, $9, or let's go with BTC again. So you can easily earn like 11.90 in a week, 83 month and year. So this thing is like for a longer run. And you can also buy like graphic cards from Alibaba, like in bulk. So this Nvidia GeForce card they are selling at, let's say, 890 to 1000 USD. So the good thing about Alibaba is you can do negotiations with them like in a bulk order, or you can use eBay. So these are some of the mining rigs. It's the same ASIC one, so you can connect them and start mining. And The other thing which I was searching randomly, so how you can save electricity. So I found an interesting article from one of the guy who has installed his mining rig using hydropower. So this guy name is Waqar Zaka, and he is a like excellent guy in terms of crypto. His knowledge and everything is very good. I've been following him from a while. So he has installed his mining rig in one of the province in Pakistan called as KP. So let's get a short tour of what he has done.
ये पूरा पानी जो है डाइवर्ट किया है और डाइवर्ट करने के बाद आए हैं, लेकिन देखें कितनी मेहनत से इस पानी को यूज किया जा रहा है हाइड्रो पावर के लिए।
मैंने शुरू की तुम बड़ी बड़ी
Okay, so as you guys can see, he has used a very smart concept. So there was water flowing on the mountain. So he's saying like he has diverted the direction and he has made it in a form like the water will fall at a certain level and it will start generating the hydropower, and he's using MSI graphic card. So for you people who are living in countryside, or if you can see any like water flow where you can install your hydropower system, and consider it like $0 cost for your electricity, and you can get like mining rigs or graphic cards and start running them, so it will be free of cost. On the other hand, if you want to do it in your home or like your garage, so make sure you have solar systems installed so it can save your electricity. And in the morning time or in the daytime, as you know, sun is out, so it will start generating more of your electricity with the solar. So try to do your mining in the morning times, and that's it. And that's it for the today's video. Be so we will be starting our stocks portfolio in coming days. So please stay tuned and I will give you more of passive income methods. Thank you.